How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm fitting a rear lip on my EG. So I'm literally on my way now to collect it. It's in Stoke. It's about an hour and a half from me, so I'm literally on my way to get it. A little backstory: I ordered one off eBay, a Mugen one, about 2 months ago. Paid about 80 quid for it. Nothing turned up. So waited, messaged the guy, no replies, nothing. My money was gone. So I spoke to eBay and they sorted it for me. Luckily I paid through PayPal, so I'll get my money back. So literally I've seen this one in Stoke, so I thought, you know what, let's just go grab it. It's literally the missing piece of the puzzle before I sort the bodywork out. Exterior wise, more or less everything's done. Just need to sort the bodywork out and the rear lip. So I thought, whilst this is available, I might as well go grab it. So I'm on my way there. As soon as I've got it, I'll fit it probably tomorrow or today when I get back. But yeah, I'm gonna go there and I'll probably record whatever I see on motorway, any cars or anything. So yeah, I'll see you back when I'm fitting it. Right guys, so this is the rear lip. It's burnt a bit here because of the exhaust, but I'm going to quickly respray it red and let's put on the EG. Right guys, so it's been about a week since I last picked up this vlog. I got injured, so I couldn't really do anything. So my wrist is fairly better, it's a lot better. So I thought, you know what, let's quickly get this video out of the way, get it edited and get it uploaded. So yeah, so I literally bought the lip, went for football that same night and got injured. So on top of that, I don't have spray paint, so I couldn't spray it. So I'm on my way right now to go get the spray paint. I'm gonna get the car on the ramp at Stylish Autos, and whilst the paint dries, once I've sprayed it, I'm gonna take off whatever I need to take off and hopefully put the lip on. It's a straightforward procedure from what I've seen. It's literally take the wheels off, take the mud flaps off, and they should slot straight in. Knowing my look, it won't be as easy as that. It'll be a lot more complicated. So yeah, so I'm literally going to get the spray paint now, and I'll join you guys when I'm taking the mud flaps off. And yeah, so I'll see you when I'm there. Right guys, I'm here at Stylish Autos. I'm using the ramp to put my rear lip on. I was going to jack out here, but the ramp was free, so I thought, why not? Alright, so the first thing I do is take the wheel off and then go take these screws off for the mud guard. And the same on the other side. Yeah, same on this side. So this is the lip now re-sprayed. Did a good job, to be fair. I've got on the ramp and let's put it on. So that's the rear lip on. Look how good that looks. It matches the side skirts and the front lip. I was debating whether it looked good or not, and now I know it does look good. Literally just needs lowering now, and I want to get 50-50 lights at the rear, and literally after that the exterior is more or less done. Just needs to sort of bodywork out. But yeah, that's literally it. Looks so good, man. It looks even now as well, so I think once it's lowered it'll finish the car off. But yeah, that looks so good. Yeah, literally just needs lowering. It matches all the way around as well. It's weird though, because that's a BYC front lip, EK side skirts, and a Mugen rear lip, and it all matches. Very weird, very weird. Right guys, so that's my rear lip video. It looks so good, it matches all the way around now. As I was looking back at my footage, I realised that I didn't press record when I put it on the car. So like I said, it's literally just, it slots straight in, and you just literally screw it all up. But yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Follow my Instagram, it'll be on the screen, and I'll see you guys in the next one.